the chief executive?
Yes.
Itai Muganiwa. They donated to Harare City Football Club. As you know, so their logo will form part of our front sponsorship for the team. I'm here with the sports committee chairperson, Stanley Manyenga, and we are appreciative of this gift, as we have said that such sponsorship, we are going to be investing in sports. We are going to create a sports economy. We have got the Olympics. There are only 7 athletes from Harare that are at the Olympics. This is a country that has always had a good history with the Olympics. Our hockey teams, our football teams, our swimming teams, and so forth. And the backdrop for those teams is the investment by the cities. So we've created the sports committee, and we are going to be investing in the sports economy in a big way. Harare City Football Club is going to go into the Premiership. We have worked on the grounds, Rufaro Stadium. We are going to work on Banzula shortly, and we are going to enter into partnerships on Mavuku Ground 1 and DZ for the division. And we are also going to revamp the golf courses, swimming pools, and many other sporting facilities, tennis courts. Remember, the Davis Cup used to be played here in Harare. Remember, Nick Price, the #1 golfer, was in Harare. And the list goes on. We have memorable days. We routinely host the Indian teams and other biggest teams in cricket. So there is potential for a sports economy, and we ask the corporate sector to emulate the investment by Avuli Kawash into our kit. I want to thank you.